Hi, I'm Jack from Ovadia Design, and I'm about to take you through my client's home. So, as you enter this combined dining and living room area, you're flanked by these two custom-made marble columns with decorative brass screens. The flooring so soft, the chevron white oak Blanco by Havwoods. The living area with this beautiful center ground hand tufted area rug really gives a great focal point and feature. And as you wrap around the dining room, you have this beautiful accent backdrop of a hand-painted gold leaf wallpaper. Beautiful white oak cabinets, the custom white oak ceilings. We wanted to ground it with this beautiful marble countertops on the island, and then these beautiful hand-blown and brass lights. For one of the more spectacular parts of this home is this 3-story staircase floating within the center of the house. As you walk up the staircase, you're surrounded by the Blanco white oak flooring by Havwood. The color is just so perfect. And as you wrap around to the second and third floor, you have this amazing custom chandelier by Gabriel Scott. Each one hand-sized to perfection. So, welcome to the 4th floor. This is the floor for the boys. Custom-made library, home office with this amazing dividing wall. You have 2 bedrooms, one over there and one on the other side of the house. Tailor-made wallpaper, amazing custom built-in beds with upholstered headboards, great working desks, and a lounge that anybody would want to jump on. Hi, and welcome to the master bedroom. Can't forget our beautiful Havwoods white oak Blanco flooring. The room surrounded in this organic, beautiful textured wallpaper. What a place to end the night.